Hello children, I am Sumati working in Chennai High School, Chindajipet. Today we are going to learn modals. Before starting the class, we are going to do some activity. I am going to tell you some sentences. You have to find out the modals in that sentences. So take a notebook and write down the modals. Can, could, will, would, shall, should, may, might, must, used to. Now we are going to see the presentation of modals. What are modals? Modals are one form of auxiliary verbs. They are used to indicate the modality of the speaker. Modals express a speaker's general intention. They give additional information of the main verb. They can't stand alone. They help the main verbs. They are always followed by a main verb. Auxiliary verb. There are auxiliary verbs, primary auxiliary verbs and modals. Be verbs, do verbs and have verbs are primary auxiliary verbs. Am, is, was, are, were are be verbs. Does, do, did are do verbs. Have, has, had are have verbs. Can, could, may, might, shall, should, will, would, must or modals. Need, dare, used to, ought to or semi-modals. Modals express the modality of the speaker. They are likelihood, ability, permission, request, capacity, suggestions, order, obligation and advice. Can is used to show the ability in the present. I can swim well. I could run fast when I was younger. Permission. Can is also used for asking permission. Can I use a pen please? Excuse me. Could I just say something? Next, possibility. Smoking can cause cancer. It could rain tomorrow. So can is used to show ability, permission and possibility. The next modals are may and might. Might is used for asking permission. When you are asking permission, when you are entering into a classroom, you have to ask permission to the teacher. May I come in? Might I suggest an idea? And also may is used to show possibility. Where are my keys? They may be in the car. I might go to Australia next year. Blessings. May is used for blessings also. May God bless you. The next modals are will and would. Would is a past form of will. Will is used to show determination. This boy is singing, no. I will win this singing contest. Future. To represent the future form, will is used. I will be at home by 7 p.m. For asking permission also, we use would. Would you mind if I ask you something? The next modals are shall and should. Shall is used for obligation. Shall we go out for dinner? And also used for giving advice. You should buy this book. You should go to school regularly. And logical conclusion. He should be very tired. He has been working all day long. The next modal is must. Where we use must? Command. You must do as I say. strong obligation. You must obey the traffic rules. To show the ability in the past, we use the word used to. When I was a child, I used to climb trees. My father used to play football in the evenings when he was at college. Not now. These are the actions that take place in the past. The next model is ought to. Ought to is used to show the duty. We ought to preserve our natural resources. Modals are given in your textbook in page number 12. A modal verb is used to indicate the modality of the speaker. They are likelihood, ability, permission, request, capacity, suggestions, order, obligation, advices, etc. We use modals to show if we believe something is certain, probable or possible. As we already see, the modals are can, could, may, might, will, would, shall, should, must, ought to, need, used to and dare to. Shall we do the book back exercises? When I was a child, I dash climb trees easily, but now I can't. In the bracket, it's given ability in the past. To show the ability in the past, we use the modal used to. So, when I was a child, I used to climb trees easily, but now I can't. Second sentence, I dash win this singing contest. Determination. For determination, which modal we use? Yes, correct, will. I will win this singing contest. For determination, we use the modal will. You dash buy this book, it is worth buying. Advice or suggestion. For giving advice or suggestion, we use the modal should. You should buy this book, it is worth buying. Next word, Pungodai dash speaks several languages. Ability in the present. To show the ability in the present, which modal we use? Can. Pungodai can speak several languages. To show the ability in the present, we use the modal can. Pungodai can speak several languages. I swear, I dash tell lies again. I swear, I dash tell lies again. I swear, I will not tell lies again. Here, the modal is will. Hence, my father dash play badminton in the evenings when he was at college. My father past habit. For past habit, we have to use used to. My father used to play badminton in the evenings when he was at college. Next sentence, you dash to do as I say. Command. You must do as I say. For this command, we have to use the modal must. I have another glass of water. Request. Could I have another glass of water? Or can I have another glass of water? For request, we can use the modal can or could. Sibi has not practiced hard, but he dash win the race. Possibility. Sibi has not practiced, but he may win the race. For possibility, we use the modal may. We dash preserve our natural resources. Duty. This is our duty. We ought to preserve our natural resources. Now, the next exercise. Rewrite the following sentences by rectifying the errors in the use of modals. Here, there are 10 sentences in which there are some errors in those sentences. We have to rectify the error and write down the correct modals. In the first sentence, would I have your autograph? For asking Autograph, we should not use would here. Could I have your autograph or can I have your autograph? Here, instead of would, we have to use can or could. I can be 15 next April. See the word next April, so it's in the future. So, to show the future tense, we have to use will here. I will be 15 next April. Third sentence, take an umbrella, it should rain later. Take an umbrella, it should rain later. Should is not correct. We have to use may. It may rain later. Possibility. To show the possibility, we have to use the modal may instead of should. The magistrate ordered that he might pay the fine. The magistrate ordered that he might pay the fine. Here, might is wrong. Instead of might, he must pay the fine, because in this sentence, there is a word ordered. The magistrate ordered. So, for orders, we have to use the modal must. The magistrate ordered that he must pay the fine. Make me a cup of tea. Shall you? What is wrong in this sentence? Shall you? Shall is not used here. Make me a cup of tea. Will you? For polite request, we have to use will instead of shall. You may speak politely to the elders. Here, may is wrong. You must speak politely to the elders. You will get your teeth cleaned at least once a year. It is an advice. So, we have to use shall here. Shall or should. You should get your teeth cleaned at least once a year. We could grow vegetables in our kitchen garden, but we don't do it now. Here, could is wrong. We used to. Ability in the past. To show the ability in the past, we have to use the modal used to. Instead of could, we have to write used to. We used to grow vegetables in our kitchen garden, but we don't do it now. Must I get your jacket? The weather is cold. Must is wrong here. We are asking permission. So, can I get your jacket? The weather is cold. Must is used for command and order. The next sentence, could the train be on time? Could is wrong here. Will the train be on time? Today we have seen modals. In the next class, we can continue with other topics. Thank you, children.